thrilling quarter-final clash awaits as Nigeria's Flamingo prepares to face the United States in the 2024 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in the Dominican Republic. The highly anticipated match is scheduled for Saturday at 8:30 p.m. in Santiago de los Caballeros. The anticipated match brings back memories of their 2024 quarter-final counter, when Nigeria emerged victorious over the United States in a dramatic penalty shootout after a 1-1 draw in regulation time. The US team enters this contest with impressive momentum, dominating their final group stage match with a commanding 5-0 victory over the Korean Republic. Melanin Baxanas etched their name in the record books by scoring just 30 seconds into the match, the fastest goal ever scored by a US player in the Under-17 Women's World Cup history, surpassing Darian Jenkins' previous record set in 2012. However, they face a formidable opponent in Nigeria's Flamingos, who have dominated Group A with 3 consecutive victories and an impressive goal difference of 9-1. The Nigerian squad features tournament leading scorer Shakirat Moshood, who has already netted 4 goals, while forward Amoni Chidi brings an impressive qualifying record of 12 goals to the competition. Nigeria's squad showcases remarkable young talent, including goalkeeper Sylvia Echefu, who is the tournament's youngest goalkeeper. The team notably features 4 14-year-old players, the highest number among all participating nations. The stakes couldn't be higher as both teams prepare for this crucial encounter. The United States seeks redemption for their 2022 defeat, while Nigeria's Flamingos aim not only for a semi-final berth, but harbor ambitions of claiming the ultimate prize. Stay informed with more news updates at NaijaNews TV.